Welcome to Cook Master Tips. Today, we're making summer crispy golden fried chicken that's irresistibly crunchy and full of flavor. Perfect for any summer gathering. This recipe will have everyone coming back for more. Let's get started. Ingredients for the marinade: 1 cup buttermilk, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder. For the coating, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder. For frying, 4 to 6 chicken pieces, legs, thighs, breasts. Vegetable oil for frying. Directions: in a large bowl, combine the buttermilk, salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. Add the chicken pieces, making sure they are fully submerged. Cover and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight. In another large bowl, whisk together the flour, salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. Remove the chicken from the buttermilk marinade, allowing any excess to drip off. Dredge the chicken pieces in the flour mixture, making sure they are fully coated. Place the coated chicken on a wire rack and let it rest for 10 minutes. In a large, deep skillet or Dutch oven, heat the vegetable oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. The oil should be deep enough to fully submerge the chicken pieces. Carefully add the chicken to the hot oil, cooking in batches to avoid overcrowding. Fry the chicken for about 12 to 15 minutes, turning occasionally, until the chicken is golden brown and crispy. The internal temperature should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 75 degrees Celsius. Remove the fried chicken from the oil and place it on a wire rack to drain any excess oil. Serve immediately and enjoy. Prep time: 15 minutes. Marinating time: 4 hours. Cooking time: 15 minutes. Total time: 4 hours 30 minutes. Kcal: 400 kilocalories per serving. Servings: 4 servings. Don't miss out on our latest recipes and cooking tips. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, See Bazaar, for more delicious content.